Let's see. And she already dropped. Watching 4 different time frames this time. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, and 1 hour. Already missed a trade. What's up, FX Hoss? Hey, good morning, Julian. Missed a perfect trade up here. Back to using the calculator today also. Hey, good morning, Aaron. Alright, we got a 15-minute Kangaroo with Divergence right now that just popped off to open. $15-minute Divergence. Quick spike up. Well, that Kangaroo would have lost already. That one, this one really wasn't a good one anyways right here. Oh shit, that's a pretty good one though, Foreman. Holy smokes. Well, we know we can look for a retest at the open. That would be pretty good up here. Damn, this shit is Alright, check it out. It's bouncing off a 5-minute trend line. 5-minute trend line. We got a bullish divergence right now. Bullish divergence. Not anymore. No, there's still bullish divergence way back here. I'm gonna be looking for buys, I think. Damn, is that the buy right there? I mean, you got a lot of area for price to keep dropping, though, obviously. This shit's dumping too much. I think we would look for buys. Open price is way up there. Wow, this shit just... There must be a lot of bad news. NASDAQ has dropped 1,400 pips in just 4 minutes. I'm gonna try to scalp something then. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm gonna try to scalp something. How about we try to scalp 100 bucks? I'm up 40. Keep dropping. Try a quick little scalp here. Really no kangaroos in sight besides earlier. Give me a kangaroo. Still looking for that retest to bounce up. I mean, it's almost not going to be divergence though. If it makes a new low here, no more divergence. Nice, Aaron. How much did you make? How much did you make? Why is everything tanking? inflation will remain above 2% over the next 3 years. Is this the news? Like, there's got to be some kind of retest coming up.
Inflation is slamming them. Joining us now from House Transportation and Infrastructure, Congresswoman Nancy Mace. Okay, it's great to have you back on, but President Biden is now reviving the Obama-era blame game, shifting the blame, finger-pointing. He's sicking the FTC without hard evidence to go after big box retailers, blaming them for inflation. Walmart, Amazon, Kroger, and more. What do you say?
Is anyone really surprised at this point? It's been crisis after crisis after crisis. And the Biden administration, rather than taking responsibility based on, causing some of these inflation woes with more spending and more taxes, whether we're talking about the transportation infrastructure bill, COVID relief spending earlier this year, or Build Back Better in the future of that $1.75 trillion spending, he's caused the majority of this to happen. And, this circular firing squad that he has going on, the American people are not going to put up with it. We saw that in Virginia. I mean, it's crazy what's going on right now.
But the thing is, it's using the brute power, the brute inherited. President Biden
rule in 1 year. But the good news is, Sean.
Where the hell? I saw a headline. Well, we hit this 1 hour support zone. Are we gonna get a bounce up? Yeah. No, I'm gonna wait for. We're gonna wait for a good setup. I think this shit might break this zone and keep going down. I'm not gonna buy anything yet. Though there is a kangaroo right there. We do got one right there. But if you sell now, you're selling on support of the 1 hour. I just don't think. It doesn't matter what I think, but I don't think this zone's gonna break. It's kind of wicking. Are we gonna make an open retest now? think it's time to put a buy on, actually. We're on hourly support. There's just no bullish divergences or anything like that yet. Yep, Miles. Are we really gonna get an open retest? It's way up here. I mean, would we count that as a divergence? It probably is going to go up to the open, but wait. That's like this is like the slightest. Yeah, it started from that corner, go down. Yeah, look at that. The most minuscule amount of divergence. So I actually lied. I said there was no divergences when I was thinking about to buy it, but there actually was. The slightest of the slightest. Huh. Think I missed a good trade there. Same thing here. You can see it on MetaTrader. You learn something every day about NASDAQ, I swear. I never would have thought to look for divergences just between two candles. But, well, I mean, that was the major turnaround right there. Is Bitcoin dropping too right now? I'm not even gonna check Bitcoin. Almost there to an open retest. Almost. If anybody is wondering, I am up $2 today. Here it is. It's fine, I'll be patient today. There's only actually been one Only 2 kangaroos in sight today. I tell you what, these rockets though, these rocket emojis, game changer for Kangaroo Tail trading. Every rocket emoji has divergence, so it's a super Kangaroo Tail. Everybody invents something in trading, right? Well, I'll invent the super kangaroo. Super Kangaroo Tail is Kangaroo Tail with force index divergence. I knew Bitcoin was gonna drop though. I called it. I marked this shit up last week. I even talked about it on Thursday, I believe. I said, here's the buy zone, right? Right there at the first buy zone. If we get bad news on Wednesday by Congress, we're going down to 32K. Unexpectedly, we may go down to 32,000. If you see Bitcoin drop to 32,000, fucking buy. Buy if you want to double your money. Yep, we'll get the baby pips down. We got a bearish divergence. This could be a sell. This could be a sell. I'm seeing some consolidation. We got a possible trend line forming. It's looking good for a drop. But it's also looking good for a retest up. But it could bust through there. I would love to see a Kangaroo Tail, actually. It's looking like a really good sell right now. I want to see more, though. Might not mean much more. I could put a stop right here. If this wicks as a kangaroo, it's a sell. That's why I didn't fucking sell. That's why I didn't sell. Stop candle right there. I'm not in the trade yet. Which one, Lucifer? Gotta let the retest complete. What a quick turnaround. Retest, boom. Could look for sells off the retest of the highs. Just wait till Wednesday at the Congress meeting. Yeah, just as expected, consolidation until Wednesday. Consolidate until the Congress breakout. You're going to see a wave of FOMO on Wednesday. Of all the people who got liquidated. And I do think Bitcoin will test the 60Ks no matter what. Maybe sometime tomorrow we might test up here because of the hype coming on Wednesday. It's like same thing with like NASDAQ and NFP. People get hyped before NFP actually comes out. They buy, good news comes out, shoots up even more. But I mean, if we get bad news, the reverse will happen. All right, I just heard something. US 30 actually. US 30 5-minute Kangaroo Tail. Wow, I'm gonna have to enter this one. Yeah, I'm gonna enter this. US 30. I would like to risk. $125. We'll do a 0.2. What the fuck are we trying to go up for? Haven't traded US 30 in a minute. Why do we see green? Alright guys, I'm gonna risk $100 on this. US 30, 2 wicks, and a 5-minute Kangaroo Tail. There we go. Let's back out. Well, there is no divergence. 2 wicks. Yep, Miles. Looks like I'm going to take a $125 loss on this trade. Well, I don't want to lose 160. I'll get out at 120. Hey, good morning, Link. Moment of truth right here. Yeah, Miles, no problem, no problem. I'm out. I'll take my $125 loss. No sweat, no sweat. I am kind of irritated, but whatever. We're back on it. Next trade is still going to be $100 risk. Let me go back to that though. I mean, without hindsight, that does. Only thing missing was divergence. 2 wicks. First 30 minutes, the sell made perfect sense to me. I'm not going to regret entering that at all. If we would have taken this one on NASDAQ, we would have probably been stopped. But that bitch dropped a lot. I wouldn't buy or sell NASDAQ right now, though. A lot of consolidation. Yeah. I think if there's divergence on that, that would have definitely dropped. I was just thinking, because on Friday we had a 1,000 pip trade and I only made $100 on it. And then Saturday I put more money on a bigger account. Shit, just choked. I'm using Tradizo and Hinko Trade. Hinko Trade, I have a bigger account on it because I wanted 500 leverage. So I'm trading on 2 MetaTrader accounts. One with 1 to 100 leverage and 1 to 500 leverage. Plus, if anybody deposits on Tradizo, let me know and I'll hook you up with the Kangaroo Tail scanner for free. Free Kangaroo Tail scanner for Tradizo deposits. So sometimes I'll move differently, Lucifer. US 30 just has 30 stocks. NASDAQ has 100 stocks. 105 stocks. So NASDAQ has more things that can make it move compared to US 30. See, that's why we don't buy these Kangaroo Tails in consolidation. That would have lost right away. No, the Super Kangaroo Tail part is for trading view only. I was only able to get this indicator for trading view, so the rocket just lets you know there's divergence right away. You don't need to pull up the oscillator or anything. You'll just know right away. In fact, we got a fucking Super Kangaroo right now. We got a bullish divergence Super Kangaroo Tail right now. Oops. Let's get a buy ready. Much? Okay. 1. Wait. No. Do not buy. Do not buy that. Something feels off about this. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It wasn't looking good for a second, but now we got 3 wicks. Lot size I need to do for $100 risk would be 0.4. Okay, 0.4. I'm buying. I'll buy. Now that we have 3 wicks, I'll put a stop right here. That one stung. That one stung. That one fucking stung. That one stung, guys. On to the next one. On to the fucking next one. Day 1 of $100 risk, we start off 0-2. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh well. You sneaky motherfucker. God damn it, that was a fucking broker B-book hedge right there. Fucking B-book and fucking fill those orders automatically, god damn it. Fuck! Fucking got my stop filled automatically. I don't think that was luck. I think a lot of people had stops right there. And I got part of the herd. But let's see if this candle actually goes up to hit where I would have had TP, which would have been the open. I'm not angry, guys. I'm not angry. I do have a goal, though. My goal is to make the money back that I had to spend to get this indicator made. My goal is to make that money back in one trade. Without hindsight, did I make the right buy? Yes. Yes. Without hindsight, I made the right buy. I stuck to my strategy. I waited for a super Kangaroo Tail with Divergence, and I entered. Yeah, I talked to him last month, Miles. Yeah, Bar Perry, I'm still using. This is a trading view? Oh my god, it is going to go up. Fuck! That's shit luck. Miles, I think that is shit luck. We had the perfect setup. And now we're gonna watch price smack the open. I'll tell you what, trading is fucking easy, but it's fucking hard. All right, now it's stinging a little bit because my TP was for $450 up there. It is stinging right now. Yeah, I'm using the premium one. $60 a month. Apparently I can run 8 charts if I want to. Yep. Yeah, just some inflation news. Check it out, guys. There is a W too. Clear W. I don't even need to mark it up. You can see that. Fuck, yo! I didn't even see the W either until now. It's alright, we know the strategy works. We know the strategy works. I was just a couple pips off. Just a couple pips off. Tanko trade is A-book, that's why you only have 1 to 100 leverage. And a higher commission. Alright. I know my strategy works. I know my strategy works. Yeah, damn. Hell, I know my strategy works. I made fucking $26,000 off a Super Kangaroo Tail. Only thing I'm trading on Hanko Trade is NASDAQ Joe. I'm only using them until January. Look at that. I called the perfect trade. Called the perfect fucking trade. Called the perfect trade. We knew what NASDAQ was going to do. We knew it. That trade may have taken the sale out of my will to continue trading this morning. There's no need to push. I mean, I called the most perfect fucking trade. Absolute perfect trade. Next time we trade US 30, we'll make sure there is a we'll make sure there's divergence. Wait, okay, we sold right there, right? Let me see. Was there divergence? Wait, it was on the 5-minute, okay. There might have been, let's see. No, there was no divergence. I mean, there was a little dip right there. Okay, that's interesting. Hold on. There was slight divergence, but that's not really quantable. I lost 107 on that trade. And I needed about just 100 more. Okay. So I need to risk about 130 on that trade. Fuck. No, I fucked myself by putting a stop loss in. Hold on, I'm gonna take a picture of this right now. Path. Hold on, we gotta mark this up, okay? Because this was a pretty good pattern. This could happen over and over. You want to get good at trading NASDAQ. Okay, how do you save a picture? Successful, perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna post that picture on Telegram right now. What's up, iVob? W's and M's. You know, I'm thinking too. You know, after the fact the move happened, I noticed a W. Maybe I could get like an alert system design that alerts us of potential W's or M's in combination with the Kangaroo Tail. Okay, Alexa, turn off. I'm sure there's a mathematical equation to put a W in, percentages, certain percentages. No, that's what I mean. I have up alert. Basically, okay, let's say if first thing, okay, you get alerted, there's a Kangaroo Tail with divergence right there. I'm saying it would be helpful if we got alerted of potential W alert, potential M alert, etc. But only after Kangaroo is printed like that. That'd be some advanced scanning shit right there. Either way, it was a perfect setup. Oh, that's what I mean. Only, okay, from these points, okay. Yellow, this is what I mean. Potential, you get alerted on this, when there's a pattern like this, you'll get the alert. That's what I mean. And then, of course, you know, the same would be boom, you're alerted, right? You're alerted. There's a Kangaroo Tail and you're alerted of potential M. See, that's where the human brain might fail because you're overstimulated. So now, I mean, I've already made it easier because I don't gotta fuck with the EFA. I already know. Look for the rockets. And it makes my job easier already. Lucifer, you said look at Bitcoin? That's right. I have Bitcoin right here on the 4-hour, actually. In the lower right corner. It's just going to be stuck until probably tomorrow night. I don't even know what time the Congress meeting is on Wednesday. But I have a feeling if it's really good news, there's going to be some whales. They're going to be ready to buy. And they'll be happy with 5 to 10% gains by the end of the year. I mean, think about it. Yeah, I mean, okay. I mean, look at these percentages. From where we are right now, if we retest 58K, that's a 20% jump. 20% jump. And think about a billionaire, okay? If you got a big fat billionaire with $1 billion, and if he thinks he can make 20% on Bitcoin at the end of the year, is he gonna do it? Because there's more and more billionaires coming out. If I had more money right now, I'd buy more Bitcoin, but I'm already overexposed. I got too much crypto. I had basically 100% all crypto. Then I finally got 20% out in US dollars. Took out another 5%, threw it on MetaTrader. And got all out of all my gala. Hey, what's up, that guy? Thanks for the follow. Check out these super kangaroos on Gala, though. There was two of them, and that shit just boom. I threw $100. I threw $100 on MetaTrader in December of 2008. Damn, it's already been that long. I believe it was January 2018. January 2018. Bitcoin, though. Bitcoin. Right at 59,000, there's a super Kangaroo Tail. We see the rocket. We know there's divergence on the hourly. And holy shit, right? Huge drop. Huge drop. Same thing down here. You got rockets, but you got a regular Kangaroo Tail. Big jumps. Big jumps. NASDAQ is nothing right now. Could be a sell, but I don't think so. Oh, B. Hardman, he said you need an indicator that identifies two equal higher highs or two equal lower lows. Gotcha. I can see why indicator coders make a lot of money. Whatever your imagination creates. Some programmer can put it into an indicator. What's up, Virgil? That first one is this one. Come into my trading room. We got Naked FOREX. And the truth shall set you free. The other one is coming to my trading room, though. But... those $2 are why these indicators are around. NASDAQ ain't gonna do shit though for a while. Nobody saw the trade earlier. I called the perfect buy. Had a TP at the open. We threw 107. Should have actually had the same risk as that previous trade, which was for 134. And the heartbreaker happened. Absolute heartbreaker. Alright, NASDAQ is looking kind of sellish. Lots of wicks. It's looking kind of sellish. Let's change the room to the left and see if any divergence popped up. Oh yeah. We got divergence, but we're on the open. Alright, 2 rocket kangaroos. A lot of bearish divergence. I think we take one more shot. Okay, what's my risk? About 0.25 this time. And if I go... could go for about 2 Rs. $0.25. Nah, but it's going up already. What the fuck? Okay. I mean, trying to do a bullish flag breakout? 5 minute. 5 minutes looking good for a drop. Well, there's a reason why we filter out kangaroos with not much room. I'd prefer, yeah. Yo guys, I'll be right back. Bathroom break real quick. Well, this one has room to the left of 10 candles. You know what? I actually will put it in. I mean, we got a lot of kangaroos, so let me put a stop loss and I'm gonna go away for a minute. 97, put it right on 100. And I'll go for at least 2 Rs. At least 2 Rs, where are we at? Okay. That'll be the setup, guys. Yep, just a little tiny test down. I'm not going to go for a big trade here. Just 2 Rs, not anything crazy. Alright, let's go. We're looking good so far. Can it continue down to a full 2 Rs? Let's see where some zones are. This blue line? So here's the zones we're playing off. Got this candle here for sure. I don't want to see price break the open right here. That will not be good. We want rejection off the open. There we go, rejection. Possible trend line starting to develop. We'll keep an eye on that. Oh, actually a Kangaroo Tail. It's actually a Kangaroo Tail. Yeah, another Kangaroo Tail. Let's see if that one has divergence too. Let's put the room to the left down to 1. No, just a regular Kangaroo Tail. Alright, we'll put that back on 10. Yeah, this trend line might be a good re-entry line, Miles. Let's see. See if this candle holds. I have a feeling it's not going to come down here. I think that's all we're going to get. Just the vibes I feel right now. I mean, you do got another trendline possibility like right here, but I still want to take us to our TP. We could check out some Apple. I haven't checked out Apple. Super Kangaroo Tail on Apple. I think this is gonna be a break-even trade. Apple looks like it doesn't want to come down, so this is gonna be a break-even trade. Looking at Apple down here in the right-hand corner. It's the 1-minute chart. Well, let's see if Apple continues ranging. Ah, shit, I think I just got hit. We just got hit break even. Pretty sure that's my last trade of the day, guys. The morning, I should say. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna finish the morning down 250. No, I'm down 238. So start Monday off down 238. Please tell me that one of you did actually smash the original buy we had down here on NASDAQ. Please tell me a couple of you did smash that TP. I couldn't have been the only one that barely got stopped. Some of you had to have won that fucking trade. I know you did. Let me know if you won that W trade. Nah, Lucifer, the only analysis for Bitcoin is we're consolidating until Tuesday. 60Ks by Tuesday night. If good news on Congress, Bitcoin will tap highs. At that point, you better get the fuck out of Bitcoin. That's my analysis. That's the best analysis you'll ever hear for Bitcoin. Right there. After the sell-off, rebuys will be between 20 and 30K. What happened to last Bitcoin's M? This will make sense right here. We had an M there. Then we had another daily M here. Bitcoin is going to do this all within 2 and 3 weeks. And that's what Bitcoin's going to do. I'm telling you. I'm telling you right now. This is what Bitcoin's going to do. But all the people, put it this way, all the fucking mania people are going to get owned, okay? They're going to get owned. Because people like me are getting the fuck out right here. People like me are getting out of here. While the newbies right here, they're going to be in drawdown. They're going to be in drawdown until probably 2023. The bearish scenario is Bitcoin falls down to 30,000, okay? 30,000 in here. We range all year until finally we blast off at the end of summer next year. So, bearish scenarios 20 and 30K. Last week I was break even. A couple weeks before that we were having some good weeks. But right now we started today down 234, 238 actually. It depends. Some days I'll be positive, some days I'll get owned. There's no way it's gonna hit TP, is there? Wow, fucking tanked. Fucking tanked. It might be dangerous because there's a lot of random spikes up on the way down. But yeah, you could make a killing on that. You could make a killing. Yeah, for sure, maximum. I don't keep anything fake. If I lose and you see me pissed off, I'm truly pissed off. But I will be annoyed if this trade does hit TP, which it probably will. It probably will, slapping me on the new big account. Perfect markups. Not so perfect outcomes. Alright guys, I'm gonna hop off stream now. We're gonna shut it down. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh yeah, Tony's like 30 bucks. Let me see. Actually, I haven't posted that link in so long. I haven't really actually promoted it. Let me grab the link for you. There it goes. You know what? I'll still pretend to celebrate. I was risking rolling on for 200 on that trade. Yeah, here it is right here. Yeah, did I enter a little late, Miles? Oh yeah, I did. I feel you. My break even would have been, yep, my break even would have held. You were right. Let me zoom in on that before I go. You're absolutely right. Yep. If I was quicker on the entry, definitely my break even would have held. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. It's time to get off. I'm not mad today. I'm not mad. Perfect setups. The setups work. The setups work. We know they work. So let's get back to this tomorrow. We're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a good day. Yep. Later, Miles. Warzone time. Warzone and breakfast.